guys, it's Boy, and I hope you guys are having a blessed whatever the time of the day it is for you. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this mask, this masquerade mask ball Okay, so it looks like this on me. You know, it got the strings, but let me just clarify. I got this from the dollar store, and I'm like, let me just spice it up a little, you know? Give it some of that sugar and spice and everything nice. Anyway, enough of my foolishness. Without further ado, let us hop on into it. So you'll need a masquerade mask. I got this from the dollar store, as you know. Needle and thread, preferably black or the one that would match your mask. Some beads, got that from dollar store too. Scrap paper, I chose to use graph paper because it's easier. A ruler, centimeter side preferred. A writing utensil, purple pen, and some scissors. So don't do 13 centimeters but 8 centimeters, and when drawing it I used 4 squares, so that was about 2 centimeters, and I needed 8 slivers of paper. So it was individually about half a centimeter or less. Actually, it was probably less than half a centimeter, but you can still work with what you got because it's just supposed to resemble the width of the beads. Now it's time for the glass seed beads and your needle and thread. At the eye of the needle, you're going to thread your thread through the hole like so. It may take some time, just preparing you for the worst. And cut your thread and tie it. So to tie, go over, then under, now under, then through the little bunny hole, and then pull. Pull it tight until you get to a knot. Then you're gonna make that same knot 2 more times. Put the tip of your needle through the hole of the glass seed bead, bring it all the way down. It may be a bit difficult for some beads, so if it's too difficult, just take it off and put on a different one. Then slide the bead all the way to the bottom and continue adding. Quick tip to help this go faster, just stick the needle into the bag and that should help, unless the bead doesn't fit. Then you'd have to take it off. To connect it, bring the needle underneath one of the holes that you desire from the back side. Then bring it underneath the bead string and bring it back through the same hole that you put the needle through. And snip it and split the thread in half. Then bring it on both sides so that you can tie it and it won't, come off. I tied it 4 times, so I'd say you can tie it 4 to 5 times, just in case. Then when you're finished tying, you can snip it as close as you need to the knot, but not too close. I'd say leave about 1 millimeter. Where the inner tip of the heart is pointing to, that's where the needle will come through. So these little sections. Look at the completed mask. Yes. Yes. Oh, something that I like is this nose thing. I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope y'all can see that. Like how it has that little bridge for the nose or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I'm glad that this mask has it because one, lace masks are better to me because you can just on your face instead of having to with the cardboard or paper mache one. I don't know what it's made out of. If you do, you can comment it down below. It'd be great to know. Also, got the blue beads for my blue dress. Oh, y'all don't know yet. Okay, so I made this mask specifically because I have a masquerade banquet coming up on the 28th. You guys will get to see the whole get ready with me, or it'll be a vlog, hopefully, the next time I post. So look out for that. Also, I just want to say, I was gonna put beads at these little holes here, but I'm like, no, that's too much. And I was gonna put it at the eye section here, but I'm like, no, that's too much as well. And the reason it's too much, because it's gonna be heavy. And this is gonna be on my face for, I'm gonna say an hour to 2 hours. So I don't want to constantly have to be doing, you know, it's gonna get annoying. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you liked it, you already know, just tap that like button, that thumbs up button, you know. I'll take it. I don't know if this is the right side, I don't know. That's okay. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!